Welcome to the DeskDirector Asset Manager module, a game-changing tool that transforms IT operations and asset management. In this video, we'll explore asset details, highlighting how they enhance your experience with DeskDirector Asset Manager. When users select an asset item from the asset list, they will be taken to a detailed page that provides in-depth information about the chosen asset. Asset Basic Details. This section provides essential information about an asset, including its asset tag, serial number, model, manufacturer, color, assigned user, status, and asset type. It acts as a central repository for key details related to the specific asset. Use the Linked Assets feature to explore the relationships between assets. This section reveals both parent and child assets, providing a clear view of the asset hierarchy and dependencies. In the Linked Assets section, the display adjusts depending on whether the selected asset is a parent or a child. Parent Asset. If the asset is designated as a parent, the system displays a list of all child assets linked to it. Users can easily add or remove registered assets associated with this parent asset. Child Asset. For child assets, the parent asset is clearly identified at the top of the page. Additionally, all assets associated with the same parent are listed in the Related Assets section. Users can also modify the parent asset by choosing from a list of all available parent assets in the system. Assets can be organized into different classes, each with its own set of extended attributes. Asset classes, including domain, warranty, and subscription, allow users to categorize assets more effectively, enhancing organization and management. Thank you for exploring the DeskDirector Asset Manager's asset details with us. See you on our next video.